everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your LinkedIn profile. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to close your LinkedIn profile, then you'll need to delete your LinkedIn account. If you have a premium account on LinkedIn, you can cancel the premium access but still keep your free basic account to retain your profile. Simply tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. From the main homepage of LinkedIn, go to the top left-hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Soon after you do that, in the expanded menu, tap on the settings button at the bottom. Tap on account preferences under settings menu, and from this page, scroll all the way down and tap on close account button at the bottom. If you continue to close your account, your profile will also be deleted. You'll lose your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations too. Tap on continue in order to do that and give one of the reasons why you are trying to close your account or your profile. And once you pick a reason, tap on next. Type in your LinkedIn account's password on the next page, and if you'd like to unsubscribe yourself from LinkedIn email communications, including invitation, tap on this little box beneath. If not, leave it unchecked and tap on done at the bottom. And soon after you do that, your LinkedIn account and your profile will be closed. That is how you'll be able to close your profile on LinkedIn. For that, you'll need to simply close your account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.